So I'm going to do a whole series of videos on Prestashop 1.7, which is this version of the code that we've got installed here. And so I'll break it up into multiple segments, kind of as a tutorial, just introduction to Prestashop, how to set it up, how to configure products, etc. This first video is just going to be an overview of some of the features and a little bit of what changed from 1.6 to 1.7. The first thing, if you're familiar with 1.6, is the whole menu structure has changed. This is just the home screen or the dashboard. You can change what the home screen is when you first log in, but by default it's this dashboard. And you can tell that the notifications are now up here, so you have order notification, customer notification, and messages is now going to show here. And when there is a notification, I'll have like a little yellow number saying how many notifications you have. It used to be over here, then now moved it to this direction. So as you can tell, I've got the store set on maintenance mode. Brand new installation. We're not ready to, it's not ready to launch. We got to go through and configure everything first. 1.7 on first install, it actually has a Prestashop configuration guide that will do a step-by-step kind of help you walk through some of the configurations. But I'm going to kind of just do a more in-depth tutorial here of all of those individual things. So going just really quick through the menu, they've divided it, and I really like the way they've organized in 1.7 to you have your sell category, your improvement category, and then your configure. This is where you configure your shop, improve, edit, add more modules, change the design, shipping, payments, and international also includes your taxes. Okay, this is what you spend your day-to-day in. Most of the time is your orders, reviewing your orders. Invoices, I don't really use a whole lot. You can do credit slips, delivery slips, and you can check shopping carts, abandoned shopping carts, that type of stuff. So if you got customers, you can see what customers are doing. If they create a shopping cart but didn't check out, you can go here and see those. Catalog, this is where you input all of your product information. You got products, categories, monitoring, attributes and features, brands and suppliers, files, and then discounts. Customer tabs, so you have customers, the customer addresses, and you can also turn on customer groups. It's by default in 1.7 that is now turned off. You can turn groups on, so if you want to offer a VIP club, you get 10% off. You can add a group and call it VIP 10%, and they can automatically have 10% off everything in your store. And so you can do different groups with that. Customer service, order messages, customer service, so on emails, uses the customer contact us, customer service contact, goes in here. Okay, merchandise returns, if you want to do a return authorization, you can do that through here. Stats just shows you statistics about your website, best products, best customers, etc. Okay, again, I went through some of those already. Modules, you can add modules that extend the capability of Prestashop. Edit your design, theme and logo, theme catalog. You can buy themes through here and browse different themes, and I prefer browsing on Prestashop's. If you go to prestashop.com, their theme catalog is really good, or themeforest.net offers a lot of really good themes. 1.7 is pretty new, so there's not as many themes as 1.6, but it's expanding pretty quickly. Pages, this is your contact pages. Alright, sorry about that. So yeah, pages is your CMS pages, or your privacy policy, your terms and conditions, or any about us information pages you'll find there. Positions, this is more advanced. Positions gets into different modules. You can use hooks or positions, and you can position different content in different areas within your website. Image settings, and then link widget. Okay, shipping, you have carriers, and then your shipping preferences. If you want to do like a handling fee or anything like that, you can set those by default here. You can add multiple carriers, payment modules, and then your payment preferences, and then your international is your languages, and your taxes, and then your translations based on your languages. And then you get into the more advanced stuff, which is your shop parameters. I mean, I guess it's not that advanced, but your general settings, your order settings, product settings, customer settings, contact, traffic, and SEO. You shouldn't really have to do a whole lot here or here, unless you're really weird terms in product. You might have to add some search information. Your advanced parameters, this is just an information. This is your performance, like your speed, your caching, etc. Administration, and then your email settings, your import. You can import products, import all kinds of stuff. Your team is your employees. or anybody that you want to allow access to the website, and you can restrict who has access to what, database information, logs, and web service. Okay, you can minimize this bar to go away, or to be more icons. Okay, so that's kind of the general menu structure and kind of the general idea of what everything is at. In the following videos, we'll go through actually setting up the store from here.